Storm's Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 Pro for Verizon Prepaid. Currently it is out of stock right now. You guys can see that all colors are out of stock, as well as all the storage options. Alright, so hopefully they'll get it back in stock soon. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro, and we're looking at the silver one. No, we're looking at the Sierra blue one here. So yeah, so this is the iPhone 13 Pro. It's available in 4 storage options: 128 gigs, which is $999.99. 256 gigs is $1099.99. 512 gigabytes, $1299.99, and then 1 terabyte, $1499.99. They current checks it, right? So I think Verizon Prepaid is the only carrier to get the 1 terabyte version of the iPhone 13 Pro, I think. Because Straight Talk didn't have it, and Cricket did not have the 1 terabyte version. So yeah, so as far as I know, Verizon Prepaid is the only prepaid carrier to offer the 1 terabyte iPhone 13 Pro. So yeah, so that's the iPhone 13 Pro right there. You guys know what it looks like. It looks like the iPhone 12 Pro from last year. So for, slightly better internal. So you guys got the triple camera in the back, along with the camera flash elbow logo on the front of the phone. Is your notch with your camera and your speaker, your earpiece or whatever. Right side of the phone has your power button. Left side of the phone has your volume keys and your alert switch. Just front of the phone there, like I said, notch, camera, and earpiece. Right side has your power button. Left side has your volume keys and alert switch. It's front and back. There's your camera up close. 3 cameras. You guys got a telephoto, ultra wide lens, and a wide angle lens on the rear, along with your camera flash. There's the right side of the phone has your power button right there on the right. And there it is in the 4 colors that they got here. They got the silver, gold, Sierra blue, and graphite colors. They're all out of stock right now, so do keep it in mind. So yeah. So your dimensions are 2.82 inches with 5.78 inches height. You do get 3 cameras on the rear at 12 megapixels each, ultra wide, wide angle, and telephoto camera on the rear. Video playback 22 hours, video playback when it's streamed, 20 hours, 75 hours of audio playback time. So it's pretty good. So it's an iPhone 13 Pro, the biggest Pro camera system upgrade ever. Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion for faster, more responsive fill, lightning fast, A15 Bionic chip, super fast 5G, durable design, and a huge leap in battery life. You guys will be able to have your screen at 120 Hz on the iPhone 13 Pro. So that's what Pro Motion is. It's basically their version of saying that you guys can have your refresh rate at 120 Hz. So that's pretty cool. This is the first iPhone to do that. Beautifully durable by design. A design as jaw-dropping as it is durable, with surgical grade stainless steel, ceramic shield, and industry-leading IP68 water resistance. Big camera upgrade, bigger photo possibilities. A massive hardware upgrade meets super intelligent software to bring macro photography to ultra wide, 3 times optical zoom to telephoto, and night made to all cameras. So that's nice. Shift the focus up to drama. Shoot with shadow depth of the field and automatically add elegant focus transitions between subjects or for far away or for the shoot with shadow depth of field and automatically add elegant focus transitions between subjects for far more creative storytelling. Hello, ProMotion. Meet the Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120Hz and exceptional graphics performance. You've never felt anything like it. Pure Pro power. Experience fast. You can only get on Pro a chip with the performance to work through Pro task and a huge leap in battery life to last all day. No one does 5G like iPhone. Everything happens so much faster on 5G. It's fast enough for multiplayer gaming and more. And smart data mode automatically saves battery power when you don't need all that speed. Alright, so it's good. Specs on here are good. Obviously, you guys know what the iPhone 13 is by now. iOS 15 is pre-installed. You guys wouldn't know that. You said you guys will get 5 years of iOS updates, which is pretty fucking insane. World device, which works in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. Weight 7.19 ounces. Width 2.82 inches. Screen Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion 6.1 inches. Diagonal all-screen OLED 2532 by 1170 pixel resolution at 460 ppi. The differences between the 13 Pro and the regular iPhone 13 is that the 13 Pro has ProMotion, which lets you have your refresh rate at 120Hz if you guys want that. So that's pretty cool. The height 5.78 inches. Front camera 12 megapixels. Colors silver, graphite, gold, or Sierra blue. Cameras, you get 3 of them on the rear. All are 12 megapixels. You get a ultra wide lens, wide angle lens, and telephoto lens on the rear. Storage options 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 terabyte. I think Verizon Prepaid is the only carrier offering the 1 terabyte iPhone. I could be wrong though, as I'm saying this now. Network depth 0.30 inches. I wish they would have like all the dimensions in one place instead of it having it scattered around, because it's confusing me here. But whatever. Usage time. It's 22 hours of video playback. 20 hours of video playback when it's streamed. And 75 hours of audio playback. Battery has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 watt. Q wireless charging up to 75 watt. If you guys need help with your iPhone 13 Pro, Verizon has you covered with that with device support. It says here Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. Alright. What comes in the box is nothing special. Pretty much the same as last year's iPhone. Y'all guys get the iPhone 13 Pro with iOS 15, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation. That is it. There is no charging brick in the box this year because Apple it seems that you guys got a charging brick. So yeah. So with that being said, there you guys go. The iPhone 13 Pro is not here on Verizon Prepaid. It is currently out of stock right now. It's available in all the 4 storage options here: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 terabyte. I think Verizon Prepaid is the only carrier carrying that 1 terabyte iPhone. I could be wrong about that later on. So yeah, so there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.